Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to make YouTube TV default on LG TV. Now first what we need to do is turn on your LG Smart TV and make sure your LG TV is connected to the internet and actually turned on, okay? And then I want you to go ahead and open the home dashboard. So press the home button on your LG remote to access the main menu, and from here you just set YouTube TV as a quick access app. So you highlight the YouTube TV app and then you press and hold one of the number keys. So 1 to 9, whichever one you want on your remote, and this will assign it as a quick access shortcut. And every time you press and hold that number, it will open YouTube TV instantly. And this one is entirely optional, so you can also enable the last input auto start. So you go to your settings, go to old settings, click on general, go to system, and then go to additional settings and just enable auto start last app. Okay, this will basically reopen YouTube TV automatically when you turn on your TV if it was the last used app. But otherwise, it is really that easy and simple. Smash that like button and subscribe to frequently asked questions.